Hey everybody, Adam here, Rolling Stock. I'd like to tell you about one of our good customers, 1968 Impala. He has a couple of sets of wheels and tires that we sold him in the past, and he likes to switch back and forth depending what kind of look he wants. So today he came in, was on the muscle car look, American Racing Torq Thrusts, very classic, white letter BF Goodrich. It's a good look, kind of muscle car. Well, there's King of the Streets this weekend and he wants to put the lowrider wheels on. So we also have the set of 14x7, 100 spoke reverse Real Deal Dayton's right here with the white wall tire. Just slap those on, polish up the white wall. Looking good, ready for the show.